400 meters hurdle, secondary bird 5. In lane number 1, athlete number 0446, Midrano Alfeo Joy of Coron. In lane number 2, athlete number 0445, Montana Naya Jane of Coron. In lane number 3, athlete number 0915, Villar Hermile Joy of Nara. In lane number 4, athlete number 1105, Donald Noeli of San Vicente. In lane number 5, athlete number 0411, Fabila Jessa of Cagayansillo. In lane number 6, athlete number 1071, Duran Vivian of Rojas. In lane number 7, athlete number 1066, Aurelio Princess Angel of Rojas. And finally, in lane number 8, athlete number 0405, Bunyak Griselda of Cagayansillo. Technical Information Officers, Robin Salvar.
Yan na ha.
And there they go! The winners, the 400 secondary girls final!
Baka na naman ang Rojas at Cagayansillo. Rojas at dalawang Cagayansillo. Second ang Cagayansillo. Third ang Nara.